Boys and girls, today we're going to use doubles facts plus 1 or doubles facts minus 1 as strategies to find sums within 20. We talked about this yesterday, okay? We talked about how if something's close, we could double it and then subtract the 1 if it's 1 less, or add 1 if it's 1 more. Let's look at this first problem on our paper. Okay, we have 8 and 7, okay? Let me see if there's a story problem. Okay. The soccer team has 8 red balls and 7 yellow balls. How many soccer balls does the team have? So we're finding the answer, okay? We have 8 plus 7 here. 8 plus 7. What number would you like to double? What number is easiest for you? It doesn't matter if you do 8 or 7, but whichever one you know the answer to the fastest. So which one do you know the fastest, Matthias? Okay, so if you know 8, let's double 8. Okay, 8 plus 8 instead of 8 plus 7. Does that make sense? Okay, what is 8 plus 8, Matthias? I thought you said you knew that one. Yes, 16. Okay, now, we can do 8 plus 8 equals 16, but our problem is not 8 plus 8, is it? It's 8 plus 7. 7 is what to 8? Is it 1 less or 1 more than 8? Grayson? It's 1 less. So we have to look at 16 and say the answer to this one will be 1 less than 16. What's 1 less than 16, Kaysen? 15. So our answer is 15 soccer balls. Okay? 15 soccer balls. All right. Now we're going to do a subtraction problem that is related to that addition problem. Okay? The soccer team has 15 balls inside the locker room. The children took 7 yellow balls outside. How many soccer balls were inside? Okay, you can see up here on this top one, we have what we call a bar model, okay? The bar model is showing the 8, was it red soccer balls? And the 7 yellow soccer balls, okay? And it's splitting them apart, showing that, okay, yes, we have 8, and then we had 7. But we're going to add those two to make 15. Then together, do you see this black line? It's saying that these together equals 15, okay? But now on our bottom one, we have the 15 and the 7, but we don't have the other number. 15 means 15 all together, so both of these numbers together have to be 15, okay? But the kids took out 7, so it's 15 take away 7. If you had 15 soccer balls and you took away 7 of them, what would you have left? Ivan? 8. You would have 8 soccer balls left. Do you see how these are related? Yes. Do you have the same numbers? Yes, you have all the same numbers, okay? Really quick, how are they different though? How are the bar models different, I should say? It shows the 2 numbers in the bars, right? But on the bottom, only one number shown in the bar, and the answer wasn't there, right? The big number was there, showing that that was what is together. Okay, now turn to the next page. All right, let's read the directions at the top. You can use addition facts to remember differences. Related facts have the same whole and part. Okay, so they have another bar model again. Okay. Think of the add-ins and the addition fact to find the difference for the subtraction fact. But let's look at the addition fact first. We have 6 in the box and 7 in the box. So, and they didn't have the answer, but they did. They give it to us, don't they? So we have 6 plus 7 equals 13. Everybody write it over the 13 so it looks like you've written it in. Okay. 6 plus 7 is 13. But look at the other bar model now. We have one of the numbers in the bar, and then we have the answer. So we have to find the other number that needs to go in the bar. But you write the problem differently. We have 6 plus 7 is 13. Now you have 13 as your first number, minus 7, your second number. Well, what should go in the third box? Lene?
6.
6. How are they related, those two problems? How are they related, Sharon?
They have the same number.
They have all the 3 same numbers. Very good. That is what is going to happen today on your share and show. Okay? You're going to do number 1. Let's do number 1 together. 5 plus 4 is what? Lena?
9.
9. Now look what happened. On the bottom, they have the answer now, 9 minus 4. This should be kind of easy because you should know that these two numbers are related, or these two problems are related. Okay? So if 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 minus 4 should be, Matthias? 5. Very good. Okay. I don't think there should be any problems on here for you guys to do this. Before we start share and show, actually, I think you should be able to do that on your own. So we'll go ahead and do share and show. Or let's look really quick. Okay, we will have to do the problem solving together. So once you get done with on your own and the share and show, we'll have to do problem solving together. To be able to answer number 28, we have to do 27 first. Let's read the problem. Mr. Sims has a bag of 7 pears and a bag of 6 pears. His family eats 5 pears. How many pears does he have now? Okay, we have to go in order of this problem to figure it out. At the beginning, it says he has how many pairs? 7. And then how many more? 6. So we first, if we're doing more, then we are doing addition. Yes. What is 7 plus 6? What is 7 plus 6? Everyone?
13.
13. Okay, so his family had bags, or 13 pairs, okay? But then they ate 5. If you eat 5, that means you need to do what?
Subtract.
Subtract. So now we need to take 13 and then subtract 5. So you're taking away. So now what's 13 minus 5? Or take away 5. Everyone?
9.
No.
8.
What is it? 9 or 8?
8.
Everybody?
8.
It's 8, not 9. It's 8. So they have 9 pairs. Now, number 28 says we have to describe how we solve number 27. What was the first thing that we did to solve number 27? What was the first thing I did, Isaac?
We went that order.
Okay, so first, but what did we do? Okay, first I added 7 plus 6. First, I added 7 plus 6. It equaled 13. A-L-E-D. Okay, what was the second thing we did? We first added 7 plus 6 and it equaled 13. What was the second thing we did after that? Because we know that family ate 5 apples, so then we had to do what?
13 minus 5.
Okay. Then I subtracted 13 minus 5. What did that equal? Chase? It equaled 8. So they had, or no, it did not equal 8. What did it equal? 13 minus, oh yeah, it did. Why did I write 9 right here? Oh, because they were, because I know you said that, but I didn't know why. So they had 8 pairs left.